Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Gimmicks. In this video, you will discover a quick trick to make flat, text-heavy slides into dynamic stories using PowerPoint's Morph Transition. Say goodbye to sleepy audience and hello to smooth eye-catching animations. Now, let's transform this text-heavy slide into something better, something like this. Alright, let's start. Open a new slide and delete the default text boxes. Zoom out slightly so you have a clear view of the slide. Then go to the Insert tab, select Shapes, and choose the partial circle option available there. Draw it onto your slide. Make sure you can see both the slide and the shape clearly. Next, resize your partial circle to 40 centimeter height and width. Use the zoom controls to frame both the slide and shape perfectly. Then switch to the Shape Format tab and set both Shape Fill and Shape Outline to black. Also, rotate the shape to 45 degrees from the rotate option available here. Now, let's center the shape perfectly. Click Align, choose Align Center, and then Align Middle. Alright, next head to the Insert tab and click on Icons. In the search bar, type flashlight, select the flashlight icon and insert it onto your slide. Now, with the icon selected, go to the Graphics Format tab and set both height and width to 4 centimeter. Rotate the icon to 45 degree using the rotation option. Then use Graphics Fill to change its color to red. And finally, position the flashlight over your circle. Adjust it until it sits just right and group the two objects together. Okay, let's keep it moving. First, duplicate your slide. Just hit Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Now on the second slide, select the shape and rotate it to 90 degree to the right twice. Then hit Ctrl C and Ctrl V again to make a third slide and repeat the same rotation options. Now select your original slide text, copy and paste it to slide 1, 2, and 3. Position it wherever you want it. When that is done, select all three slides in the left pane, switch to the Transition tab, and click on Morph Transition. Finally, hit the slideshow and watch your content glide smoothly from slide to slide. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching Gimmicks. See you in the next one.